How old are you, Ben?
4 years old.
And what are you guys doing?
I'm garbage stancer.
Garbage? Okay. And Sophia, what are you doing? In the bathroom, up on the sink? Yeah, can you come down, please? Thank you. Come see Mama. Thank you.
So much garbage.
That's a lot of garbage you guys are making.
Yeah.
Are you going to clean it up with the garbage truck?
And look at all that stuff.
Look at all the dust. Yeah, Sophia's trying to catch it in her hands.
Where's that stuff coming from?
Okay, why don't you guys want to sing happy birthday to Ben?
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to Ben. Happy birthday to you.
That was really nice, guys. Yay!
Mama, look how much we're gonna make food for the children.
Well, wonderful.
Because this is all garbage we can use for some children.
That's very nice.